Hi guys, I'm Swati. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video here and I'll be making a lot of product review, lifestyle and home decor videos here. So I hope you like it. And today we are doing eyeliner videos. I have my top 5 sorted for beginners. And subscribe to my channel, share a lot of love and like it, comment and also send me your thoughts on whatever you think I should review or I should do more videos of so. And let's just get into it. Okay, so my very first eyeliner today is the sugar eyeliner. It is a little on the expensive side. This is how it looks like. This is the stick. It is very nicely packaged. This is how the tip is like. This is how the tip is like, and it is a very nice eyeliner. It is waterproof, smudge proof, and it does stay for a very long time unless you have very watery eyes or you sweat a lot or anything. So I'll just swatch it for you. And guys, it is very black. It is dark black, pitch black. See? So this is I think it is for $6.99. This is the most expensive in today's list. And this is a good eyeliner. I would totally recommend this for everyone, not only beginners but everyone. Okay, so my second eyeliner in today's videos is Maybelline Colossal liner. This is a very popular liner, and this is the best choice for beginners who are still learning how to apply the eyeliner like me. I'm not a very big eyeliner fan though, and but these are my honest reviews about these eyeliners, which is why I decided to start with it. This is how it looks like. This is the one. It is not very black, but if you're someone who needs a black eyeliner, you might need to go over it 2-3 times on the eyelid. But it is a very good kajal. It doesn't smudge a lot, but it doesn't also stay for a very long duration. So it stays for I think 3 or 4 hours, and then you might have to touch up if you're wearing it for an entire day. And otherwise it is an average eyeliner, and this is $4.20 on Nykaa.com and $4.50 in the store. So for all those beginners, put your hand on it. Next one is Maybelline's again, and this is the stick. This is what it looks like, and this was from Maybelline Gigi Hadid collection, and I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, I don't know. And this is my most favorite eyeliner. I've used it so much. The stick is all worn off, the print is gone and everything, but this came for a very short period of time. It is out of stock currently, but if you can get your hands on it, I'll tell you it is a total worth steal. And I'll just swatch it for you and you guys might see for yourself. The brush is so feather like also. See, it is so thin, so black, so dark, and it stays for a longer period of time, maybe an entire day if you do not again sweat a lot. It is waterproof and smudge proof. Also this eyeliner is so cheap that if you could get again I'll say if you could get your hands on it, it is a steal, a good steal. I'll just tell you, it's just 350 rupees, but again as I said, it was a special collection and I'm not sure if you will get it somewhere. Next is the Nykaa Get Winged eyeliner. This is an amazing eyeliner also, and I recently got my hands on it. I'll just watch it. So this is one of my another favorite eyeliner. So for all those girls especially who are still learning how to do the eyeliner, and for all those who do not know how to make a wing in the end, or for ones who do not know how to do a cat eye, I'll highly suggest this one as it has a edged tip. See, look at the tip. So which is why it gives a perfect wing in the end, and you could apply any other liner and just give a wing in the end with this one if you want. And this is a perfect eyeliner from Nykaa, and this ranges from $4.50, and it is really nice. It is known as Black Swan 01. It is waterproof, smudge proof, it stays for a very long time, and it's a good eyeliner and you must try it for yourself. So guys, last but not the least is my L'Oreal eyeliner. This is how it looks like. So it says L'Oreal Black Lacquer by Superliner, and it's in the shade, I think, I'm not sure, I'll just link all of these down. I'm not sure what the shade is, maybe it's just the one, and I'll just swatch it for you. Okay, I must tell you, this is the best eyeliner in this range. See the last one? It is shiny, it does dry up matte, and it is very black, and it is waterproof, smudge proof. It stays for the entire day. If you're someone who's just heading out in the morning and coming back at the night, this one is totally suggested. And also, when you are cleaning this off, it doesn't leave you a black eye. It cleans right off, and it doesn't leave anything behind. It is a very nice eyeliner. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please like and comment. Please tell me your suggestions if there are any, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.